Good morning, fifth grade. Today is Earth Day. I'm sure that Mr. Evian is going to talk to you about it, but we're going to switch up today a little bit. We're going to do some reading standards still. We're going to work on poetry. But today, the only thing you have to do is write a haiku based on nature. So if you look back at a definition of a haiku, it's a Japanese poem based on nature. So a haiku consists of 17 syllables. There are 3 lines in a haiku. First line being 5 syllables, middle line being 7 syllables, and the last line being 5 syllables. So you have 5, 7, 5. I will now show you an example of a haiku. If I can present my screen here. There we go. So as you see here, it's a 3-line poem with a total of 17 syllables, like I just said. First and last lines have 5 syllables, and the middle line has 7. And it's a traditional Japanese poem that is used to describe nature. So if I'll zoom out for right now. Go up here, we can see, oh, that's way too big. The haiku right here, I'll highlight it for you. Summer has faded. Leaves falling, falling, falling. Autumn has begun. So, if you were to break down this haiku, we are talking about fall. So, it's saying summer has faded. You know, it's not as warm anymore. Yes, the sun is out, but instead of it being 80 degrees, it's probably closer to 60. So, the feeling of summer has now faded. Leaves are falling, falling, falling obviously means in the fall or autumn, leaves fall off trees, and autumn has begun, meaning now that all the leaves are falling, it is officially autumn. So, yes, this is a very, very simple and simplistic poem regarding wording and everything, but that's what it is. I just want you to try it. If you have any questions, please ask me. If we need to go over the syllables, so if you're breaking down the syllables, you have summer has faded, right? So if you have to go through your words using your fingers or the claps, that's fine. Mr. McCabe still does that every once in a while. So you have leaves falling, falling, falling. Autumn has begun. Okay. That is what I would recommend doing if you're trying to figure this out. And get creative with your words too. This is a pretty simple poem, but get creative. Use words that you wouldn't normally use in your regular writings. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Just remember 575 and make it about nature. Have a great day. Happy Earth Day.